Hi everyone, now we are going to discuss about the antibodies, structure of antibody. What is antibody? When the antigens are enter into the body, when the antigen, whatever foreign materials or antigen enter into the body, in our body produce some antibodies, immunoglobulins, immunoglobulins, glycoproteins. It produces antibodies are nothing but these are the glycoproteins, polypeptides, type of proteins. These glycoproteins or these antibodies are produced in our body to destroy antigens. That means when the antigen enter into the body, automatically our body produce some antibodies. What are antibodies? Antibodies are glycoproteins which are produced by glycoproteins which are produced by plasma cells. Plasma cells. Antibody. When does in which situation antibodies are produced in our body? If any antigen, whatever material or foreign material or other material, whatever material enter into the body, antigens are enter into the body. Our body producing antigen. These antigens are stimulate to produce what? Stimulate to produce what? Antibodies. Antibodies. What are these antibodies? Antibodies are the glycoproteins. Already I am told. Nothing but we can call the structure. If you observe antibodies, it is made up of polypeptide chains. Okay, antibody is made up of polypeptide chains. Polypeptide, how many polypeptide chains? It is made up of one antibody made up of 4 polypeptide chains. 4 polypeptide chains. Each polypeptide chain, okay, in that 2 polypeptide chains are heavy chains and 2 polypeptide chains are light chains. Later I will show the diagram. Light chains. That means one antibody is made up of 4 polypeptide chains. In that 4 polypeptide chains, some are what? 2 are heavy chains, 2 are light chains. Okay. For example, in our body, in which situations the antibodies are? When does antigens are enter into the body? What is antigen? Antigen is a substance which stimulates and activate antibodies. Antigen is a substance which stimulates and activates what? Antibodies. When the antigens are entered, antigen is also one type of proteins like glycoprotein which is entered into the body. For example, antigen example is viral protein, RNA protein. That is also antigen. When the antigen, other material, foreign material enter into the body, automatically our body system, our body B lymphocytes, okay, differentiate and produce what? Antibodies. Antibodies nothing, it is a polypeptide chain, glycoproteins, nothing but antibodies also called, antibodies are plasma proteins also, plasma proteins. Okay, generally in antibodies we can call and also called immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulins we can call, that is we are showing IG, immunoglobulins. Immuno means what? It is useful for immunosystem. Globulins means what? Plasma globulins. Globulins. That means B lymphocytes. These are the white blood cells, B lymphocytes. B cells differentiated and produce what? Plasma cells. This is what? Plasma cell. Differentiated and forms what? Plasma cell. These plasma cells, so that I have written here plasma cell. This is B cells. Differentiated and produce plasma cell. The plasma cell produces what? Y-shaped structures, antibodies. Y-shaped structure, antibodies. In which situation these antibodies are produced in our body? These are antibodies. When the antigen, okay, when the antigen enter into the body, our body cells B lymphocyte stimulates and produce what? Antibodies. These antibodies are Y-shaped in structure. Y-shaped in structure, antibodies. Okay, structure is Y-shaped structure, antibodies are H-shaped structure. Antibodies produce nothing. Antibodies means what type of glycoprotein, which is made up of polypeptide chain, 4 polypeptide chains. In that, 2 chains are heavy chains and 2 chains are, okay, 2 chains are light chains. Okay, in that, okay, if you observe that this is the structure of what? Antibody. In a antibody, if you observe here, I am already told it is made up of 4 polypeptide chains. In that, 2 polypeptide chains are heavy, 2 polypeptide chains are light. Here, if you observe here, these are heavy chains, so that we can call heavy chains. Heavy chain. And these two are light chains. Light chains. Okay, it is made up of 2 heavy chains, 2 light chains, so that we will represent the structure of polypeptide H2, structure of antibody H2L2. What is H2L2? H2 means what? It is made up of 2 heavy chains. It is and also made up of 2 light chains, so that it is representing H2L2 also. Okay, we will show that one H2L2 also, structure of antibody. Okay, if you observe, this is the structure of antibody. This is made up of 4 polypeptide chains, 1 heavy, 2 heavy, 2 and 2 light chains. Okay, in the polypeptide chains, in the 2 differentiated regions is there. One region is constant region of heavy chain and constant region of light chain. This is constant. This region we can call variable regions. Variable region. Variable region means what? It is not a constant region. It is changing the shape based on the antigen. Okay, this site is called, these both sites are called antigen binding sites. Antigen binding sites. Paratopes also we can call antigen binding sites. Nothing but we can call paratopes. This region and this region is called antigen binding sites, or nothing but we can call paratopes. That means the antigens are attached. For example, this is antigen. The antigens are attached in this region. This is antigen. Antigens are attaching in this region. So that these 2 regions are called antigen binding sites, are paratopes. Paratopes. You can call also paratopes. For example, here 2 antigens are binding. Why? Because this is bivalent. Bivalent means what? Each antibody, it is divided with what? 2 antigen binding sites. So that it is bi means 2. Bivalent means what? 2 antigen binding sites. In the 2 antigen binding site, this is we can call light chain. Light chain 1, 2 or light chain. In that light chain, 2 regions is there. One is constant region of the light chain. This region, whatever I am drawn in black color, this region is called constant region of the light chain. This region is called variable region of the light chain. Variable region. Difference between, what is different between constant region of light chain, variable region of light chain? Variable region is changing their shapes. Changing. Why it is changing means what? Antigen, it is the site of antigen binding site. So that based on the structure of antigen, the variable light chain or variable constant chain shape is changing. So that in constant change, it is not changing anything. Okay, so that these filaments we can call, and also called filament antigen binding site. Okay, FAB means what? These two regions we can call FAB also. What is the meaning of FAB? FAB means filament antigen. A means antigen binding sites. FAB means what? Filaments. These are the filament like structure. Okay, this is the structure of antigen. In antigen, for example, if you observe this diagram here, this is what antigen. This region is, this part is called antigen, or whatever material enter into the body. It is binding with what? Antibody. In antibody, two parts is there. Some are heavy chains, some are light chains is there. In heavy chain, the binding region or antigen determinate region. That is the binding region of antigen. What is antigen? Antigen is a substance. Antigen is any substance which is enter into the body and which is stimulates and activate antibody. That is we can call antigen. The antigen binding site we can call epitope. Antigen determinate part, this part we can call epitope. What is epitope? Epitope is nothing but, for example, this is the antigen, for example only, this is antigen. This is the binding site of antigen. Antigen, binding site of antigen. That is we can call epitope. Epitope. Okay. It is binding with what? Each antibody, it is binding with two antigens. So that study about antigen and antibodies, the binding sites is called serology. What is the meaning of serology? Serology means nothing. It is a site of binding antigen and antibodies. Study about the site of antigen and antibodies. That is we can call serology, and also that is the subject of we can call serology. That means antibody, structure of antibody. Antibody is made up of proteins, polypeptide protein. In that polypeptide proteins are two types of proteins is there. Some proteins are polypeptides are heavy chains, it's made up of heavy chain. Some polypeptides are made up of light chains. In that heavy chains are two. These heavy chains are binding with whatever heavy chains are polypeptide heavy chains are binding with what? Disulfide SS. I'm showing what? Disulfide bonds. In that heavy chains also, this region is called constant region and also called FC, filament constant or filament cell binding site. And other one is heavy what? Variable chain. That is a place of variable heavy region. That means what? This region, even in light chain, even in heavy chain, in both chain having what? Especially for two region, one is constant region, another one is variable region. Okay, this is what especially for the structure of antibody. Nothing. Antibodies are produced when the antigen is enter into the body. Antigen is a substance which is stimulates and producing what? Antibodies. Antibodies is a polypeptide structure. It is a glycoprotein, plasma protein. In our body, when the antigen is enter into the body, these B cells, B lymphocytes or B cells are activate and stimulates and what? Differentiate and produce what? Plasma cells. The plasma cells are produce antibodies. These are what? Antibodies. Antibodies are produced by plasma proteins. So that it is called plasma globulins. Plasma proteins, plasma globulins. And antibodies also nothing but we can call immunoglobulins. Immunology, it is used for globulins, plasma globulins. So that we are showing that one in IG. Okay, based on the structure of IG immunoglobulins, nothing but antibodies, It is differentiated into 5 types. Now we are going to discuss about the types of antibodies. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the types of antibodies. Types of antibodies. Generally, antibodies are 5 types. IgG, immunoglobulin G, IgA, IgE, IgM, IgD. Here, there are 5 types of immunoglobulins or antibodies. There are 5 types of immunoglobulins or antibodies based on their structure and based on the secretion of the body parts. Here, IgG, IgA, IgE, IgM, IgD. These are the 5 various types of antibodies. Ig means immunoglobulin, G, immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin E, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin D. These are the 5 types of what? Antibodies. In that, what is the difference between them? IgG is a monomeric form of antibody. IgA is dimeric form of antibody. Okay, I will explain what is the difference between. IgE is also monomeric form of antibody. IgM is the largest antibody in our body. IgM. This is we can call pentameric antibody form of antibody. IgD is also monomeric form of antibody. Okay, what is the difference between this is monomeric IgG? Okay, so that I will write here IgG and IgE, comma IgD. These are monomers. Monomers are monomeric form of antibodies. What is monomeric form of antibodies? Already I am told antibody, the shape of antibody is Y-shaped in structure. It is made up of one antibody. It is made up of 4 polypeptide chains. In that 2 are heavy, H2L2. 2 are heavy, 2 are light. That means it is monomer means what? It is made up of only 4 polypeptide chains. One antibody. Mono means single. It is only made up of one antibody. Okay. So that IgG, IgE, IgD are monomeric. That means in that consist only 4 polypeptide chains. Okay, 4 polypeptide chains. H2L2 only. Here dimer, which is dimeric. Dimeric means 2. Di means 2. Dimeric form of antibody. That is what IgA. That means the structure is, it is made up of one antibody, another antibody. That means here two antibodies. Dimeric, the combined end form. That is the form of antibody. Dimeric means what? It is a form of how many regions of antigen sites, antigen binding sites? 1, 2, 3, 4. In dimeric, 4 antigen binding sites. Antigen binding sites. In monomer, only 2 regions are antigen binding site. 1, 2. But in dimer is example is what? Dimeric form of antibody, that is IgA. And very very important, IgM. IgM is a pentameric antibody, form of antibody. Pentameric means what? This type of antibody is having in 5. It is made up of complex polypeptide protein. IgM, largest antibody in our body. IgM. IgM, it is made up of 5 antibodies. 5, that means total 5 into 2, that means 10 antigen binding sites in that. It is binding with 10 antigens. Which one? IgM. IgM is the largest antibody. It is made up of, okay, especially for, it is made up of pentameric and form of antibodies. That means in that antigen binding sites are in 10 antigen binding sites. Antigen binding sites. In monomer only 2 antigen binding sites. Antigen binding site. Monomers are IgG, IgE, IgD. IgA is dimeric. IgM, that is the largest one. IgM is what? Pentameric form of antibody. Pentameric form of antibody. That is the difference between IgG, IgA, IgE, IgM, IgD. Okay, easy to remember. IgG and IgE and IgD. These three, GED, these three are monomeric. IgA is a dimeric form of antibody. IgM is the largest antibody. M, meta, okay, largest antibody, and it is made up of pentameric form of antibodies. Okay, that is the difference between IgA, IgG, IgA, IgE, IgM, IgD. Okay, types of antibody. There are the 5 varieties of what antibodies are produced in our body cells. Okay, here first one, IgG. The description of IgG. What is IgD? It is main antibody. This is also IgG, also main antibody type in circulation. Okay, it is in circulation, blood. Attacks both bacterial and viruses infections and microorganisms and taxing material. IgG, it attacks bacterial, viruses, microorganism, taxing material, whatever enter into the body. And IgG, it found in location. Which location it is found in IgG? Milk, saliva, tears, respiratory and digestive secretions. It will be produce what? IgG type of antibody. Okay, it is a main antibody type in circulation. In which circulation? It attacks both bacterial and virus and microorganism toxic materials and milk secretion, saliva, tear secretion, respiratory and digestive secretions. Okay, it produce IgG, monomeric antibody, form of antibody. And next one, IgA. It is also main antibody. This is also having in secretion such as saliva and milk. Attacks microorganisms and toxic and protect from inhaled and ingested pathogen. Inhaled and ingested, just allergic also. Okay, and so that it is location IgA, that is dimer. The WBC and macrophages in blood and serum produce these type of antibodies. IgA, dimeric form of antibodies. Okay, mainly it is a type of secretions such as saliva, milk. It attacks microorganism, toxic materials, protects from inhaled and ingested pathogens. Okay, IgA type of antibody, second type of antibody. And IgE, this is also monomeric type of antibody. IgE is the mainly antibody responsible for allergic reactions, infections, allergic reactions. That means the mast cells in tissue and serum found especially for IgE type of antibody or immunoglobulins. And next one, IgM. IgM is the largest antibody in our body. Largest antibody which is produced by B cells in blood and serum. Okay, antibody is found in circulation in WBC, especially for B cells in blood and serum. These IgM type of antibodies are produced. Antibodies of IgM is the largest antibody. It antigen binding sites are 10 in that IgM, so that it is the largest one. It is made up of 5 antigen polypeptide chains. No, one polypeptide chains are having what? 4 into 5, 20 polypeptide chains. And IgD, last one is IgD type of what? Antibody, form of antibody. Antibody is found primarily as a membrane bond. Which is membrane bond antibody? IgD, immunoglobulins. Activation of these are useful to activation of what? B cells. Okay, found in location in producing by B cells in blood. Okay, these are the varieties of antibodies, the functions of antibodies, and also what? Location of antibodies. IgG, IgA, IgE, IgM, IgD. IgG and IgE and IgD are monomeric form of antibodies. IgA is dimeric form of antibodies. IgM is pentameric, pentamer 5, pentameric form of antibodies. Okay, these are the differences, various types of antibodies and their functions and also location where does produce these types of what? Antibodies.